Pero ngayon pa lamang, husgan ko na. Hindi worth it. Because it doesn't work. It didn't work. 68,000 sa isang palpak, bulok, sira na fertilizer. Sinayang natin yung pera ng taong bayan. Ang susunod natin pag-usapan dito ay yung LTO, yung fertilizer, alcohol fertilizer. 50 million pesos allocated sa inyo. 51 million pesos. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari sa mga fertilizer? At magkano per unit? Sir?
Mr. Chair, from the record of LTO, we have procured 756 units of breathalyzers.
How much is it each unit, sir?
Unfortunately, I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, I was not able to get that data from our
I can give you them up now.
counting.
$68,000 per unit. Sir. 68,000. Napakamahal yata kasi sir, nag-check kami diyan sa sa US. Mataas ang standard nila. 5,000 pesos lamang. Sa US po, 5,000 to 14,000 ang isang fertilizer. Sa Thailand, 3,000 pesos katumbas. Sa China, 22,000. Pero doon na lang tayo sa US, 5,000 to 14,000. Bakit po sobrang mahal? Masyadong mahal po, sir.
Mr. Chair, please allow us to seek the information from our procurement because we are just the end user, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Sino-sino ilan po yung fertilizer na na-procure ninyo? Ulit?
Mr. Chair, this was distributed to all the regional offices from
Okay.
Region 1 to including NCR, CAR, and Caraga.
Okay. All right.
Initially, there was also 50 units transferred to the PNP,
50 units to the PNP. Okay.
215 units to MMDA,
200.
15 units to MMDA.
Okay. MMDA. Okay.
This is for a total of 756 units, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Na-flag down kayo ng COA, Commission on Audit. At merong worth 51 million pesos ng mga kagamitan kasama na yung fertilizer na nakatenga lamang sa inyong ahensya sa stockroom at hindi nagagamit. Galing po ito sa COA. 51 million. Hindi lang naka-specify kung ilan dito ay fertilizer. Lalabas po ito sa budget hearing. Attorney Artes.
Yes, Your Honor. Since MMDA was mentioned, yes, we received some units of breath analyzers from LTO, but we returned them because it was not calibrated, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
I remember at the time, then Chairman, the late Danilo Lim, tested the breath analyzer by asking one of his security to drink alcohol and try the breath analyzer, and it registered zero alcohol level. That's why we returned it, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung breathalyzer na 68,000 pesos, ang halaga lang noon, wala pa sa piso dahil palpak. You returned it.
That's what I recall, Your Honor. We returned all of it, Your Honor. That's
All
why we
the 215 units didn't work.
Yes, all of the units. I don't recall, Your Honor, the exact number, but after the test conducted, then at the time it was, I think, even before pandemic, we returned all the units, Your Honor. that we
Every
received.
single one of them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Tumatas na kami yung PNP. PNP, nabigyan kayo ng 50 breathalyzer na worth 68,000 bawat unit. Anong nangyari doon?
Yes, sir. 2 to 3 years ago, sir, we also received that units, but we returned, sir, because
Ito na
it was
naman.
not calibrated.
Lahat return to sender.
Yes, sir.
Cheese. Dahil hindi calibrated and it didn't work. Okay. LTO, sir. So kung hindi nag-work yung mga ipinasa nyo sa kanila, nakapareho lang naman doon sa, sabi nyo, ipinasa nyo sa iba't ibang mga district ninyo, regional office nyo. So, hindi nag-work, anong ginawa nyo?
Mr. Chair, that period, I'm sorry, but I'm not trying to evade, but then I assumed the position on July 2023. So I'm not, I think this, the distribution and the situation were not, when I was not in the law enforcement service, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
May
it was...
please allow us, me again, to go and to look into this.
And who was the person in charge of procurement at that time? Comsec, patawag natin. Okay, kung sino man yun. Anong pangalan?
I will check, Mr. Chair,
Check.
to be sure.
And then ipapatawag natin sa susunod na hearing.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gusto namin makita in terms of reference para malaman yung specification kung worth it ba yung 68,000. Pero ngayon pa lamang, husgan ko na. Hindi worth it dahil hindi na, pumapalya eh. It's not worth it because it doesn't work. It didn't work. 68,000 sa isang palpak, bulok, sira na fertilizer. Sinayang natin yung pera ng taong bayan. Magkano po yung total amount? Yung 756. Times nyo nga, 756 times 68,000. 51 million. 51 million. Okay. So, therefore, yung pong fertilizer, not a single one ay napakinabangan.
Mr. Chair, from
Kasi
the
kung
report,
hindi napakinabangan ng MMD, hindi napakinabangan ng PNP, maging yung dinistribute sa mga tao nyo, hindi napakinabangan yun, natenga lang yun.
from the report of our regional offices, Mr. Chair, we have apprehensions under 10586.
How can you apprehend someone sa under 10586 and the only way to determine that is one way is to determine is by the breathalyzer
Yes, Mr. Chair.
to confirm.
The presumption, Mr. Chair, is some of the units,
Maybe sobriety test, some of the units.
the units that were distributed to the regional offices were used, so they were able to prosecute 1,496 cases, all in all, Mr. Chair. This was
So ang
brought to-
pinapalabas mo na nag-work ang ilang breathalyzer.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What a very convenient excuse. yung sa MMDA, 215 isinuli. Sa PNP, 50 isinuli. So, ibig sabihin, meron ilan-ilan doon na naiwan sa inyo ang hindi nasoli. Or baka ang ginawa nyo, namili kayo kung ano yung mga palpak, yun ang binigay nyo sa MMDA. Kung ano yung palpak, binigay nyo sa PNP. Natira sa inyo, hindi palpak. So, nung dumating yung bletterizer, merong tumitingin sa inyo kung ano yung nag-work at anong hindi. Alam nyo na merong hindi nag-work. So, hindi nag-work, pinasa nyo sa ibang agency. But I don't believe you anyway. Well, meron kayo na-apprehend, thank you, pero hindi nagamit ang breathalyzer. Yun eh. So, ano nangyari doon sa mga breathalyzer na mga sinuli?
I just got a confirmation, Mr. Chair. It was really returned to LTO. And
Okay. Meron kayong resibo, MMDA and PNP, na it was returned and meron kayong received copy?
I'm pretty sure, Your Honor, we have documentation, Your Honor. I don't recall kung ni-receive ba namin siya officially tapos ibinalik or hindi na namin tinanggap dahil isinooli na, Your Honor. I'll check with our admin service, Your Honor. For sure, there's a documentation on that. Unless nga po na from the start hindi po namin officially tinanggap dahil kailangan po talaga i-calibrate yung mga breath analyzers, Your Honor.
Ganon din kayo PNP, HPG?
Yes, sir. We have our supply accountable officer who do the process of receiving and returning the mentioned ABA, sir.
Okay. So, LTO, sir?
I will check again, Mr. Chair, with the property of LTO as to the status of these units, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, meron ba kayong balak na mag-procure ulit?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Meron ulit. Ang tapang naman ng apog. Sorry palpak na ngayong at the same yung pagkukunan nyo. Saan pa pala galing itong breathalyzer? Yung mga pumalpak na pinagsusuli ng MMD at saka ng PNP.
I'm just aware of,
Saan
Mr.
made ito? Made in which
The
country?
procurement date is 2017, Mr. Chair.
Opo. Saan po? Made in what country is it?
I don't know the status now, Mr. Chair.
Made in Iraq? Hindi. Iba pala to.
Mr. Chair.
Yusek Ortega.
Yeah, if I may po, I'll be informing ASEC Bigor written to give a report accounting all the backgrounds needed with that 50 million na supposedly na procure. And then regarding dun sa na-mention ngayon that there's a plan, I will also ask for a report para makita po natin the status for us to do what's necessary regarding these findings, Your Honor.
Yun nga po, Yusek Ortega, ayusin mo natin yung problemang kapalpakan doon sa unang procurement. Hindi pa nga natin naayos, wala pang nananagot doon sa kapalpakang ito. And yet, tayo ay magpo-procure or bibili ulit ng mga bago unit. Ilan po ang balak niyong bilhin sana, sir? At what amount? I'm just curious.
The market study is ongoing, Mr. Chair, for inclusion.
Pero, give or take, magkano sana ang balak niyo?
I have no idea, Mr. Chair.